Yeah, hello student. Okay, actually I am facing little network issue.
It's okay, sir.
Good, thank you. Uh, I need a little cooperation today because actually I think there is some failure of transformer or whatever in my society. That's why there is no electricity. So I came up on the roof to take class. I thought that cancelling of this class will be difficult because we need to complete the syllabus also, and I have to teach some good important thing today. I was excited also. Okay, so what I was telling you, the tension in the string is same everywhere. Is this okay? So suppose try to understand. Suppose if I am selecting A and B and I draw the free body diagram of A and B. Now I can say, what is free body diagram? You are very comfortable with it. So there is a force at this place, that is tension at point B. Obviously that will be a pulling force, isn't it? And this is tension at point A, and obviously this is accelerating in this direction with A. Then what will be Newton's equation? Newton's second law, hope you remember. F net is equal to mass into acceleration. What is F net? Can anyone say me? F net will be equal to TB minus TA, isn't it? TB is acting in this direction, TA is acting in this direction. So F net will be obviously TB minus TA, and that will be equal to mass into acceleration. But unfortunately, mass of the string is 0. Mass of the string is 0. So tension at point B will become equal to tension at point A, isn't it? So this proves that tension remains same everywhere in the string. Is this okay? Tension is same, and such a string is known as ideal string. So what is ideal string? Ideal string are massless, frictionless, and massless, frictionless, and inextensible. Inextensible.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
so tension at A and tension at B both will be zero, sir.
Because mass of the string is approaching to 0, na? Mass of the string is
Yes,
0.
sir.
So make it 0, then you will get TB minus TA is equal to 0. Bring TA to that side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bring TA to that side. TB will be equal to TA, isn't it?
Yes, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is ideal string. So ideal string, it does not sense that no, a string is very obedient, is very good. No, nothing like that. Ideal string means that a string is frictionless, massless, and inextensible. Means you can't extend it like a rubber, isn't it? You can't extend it. You can't compress the string. Is this okay? Its length will be constant. Inextensible means its length will be constant. It cannot be changed by applying a force. Is this okay? So write it down. Now I'm giving you some question. This is 10 kg, and uh, this is hanging on the roof with the help of a string. Find tension in the string. Do it first.
Sir, is it 1000 Newton?
Not 1000 Newton. Now getting 1000 Newton. Draw the free body diagram. I am telling one question. If you will draw the free body diagram, you will get 100 Newton in downward direction, and in upward direction you will get tension T. So obviously the upward force, because this is in equilibrium, as you can feel it, so tension will be equal to 100 Newton. Is this okay? So tension will be equal to 100 Newton, not 1000 Newton. Now next question is that this is 10 kg, this is 5 kg. Here tension is T1, here tension is T2. Find T1 and T2. Do it fast.
Sir? Sir, T1 is 50, T2 is also 50.
T2 is also 50, no? This is the wrong answer.
T2 is 100, sir.
Yes, 100, sir, sorry.
Okay, good. And T1 is 50. T1 is not 50. Check it. Suppose this is 10 kg. This will be 100 Newton. This is T2. This is 5 kg. This is 50 Newton. This is T2. This is T1. So they are in equilibrium. So T2 has to be equal to 100 Newton, isn't it? And here T1 will be equal to T2 plus 50. Is this okay? So T2 is 100. So put the value 100. 100 plus 50 is 150 Newton. So T1 will become equal to 150 Newton. Okay. Now the next question is, suppose this is the table, this is mass 10 kg. This is the wall. This is 20 kg. All surfaces are smooth. Here the tension is T1. In this stream tension is T1. Here the tension is T2. Find T1 and T2. Do it fast. Do one or two questions, then I will leave the class today, and I will manage this remaining hour in the next class. Okay, because
Okay, sir.
yeah, okay, good. After that, do this question. This is 10 kg. This is 20 kg. This is mass M. Find M. Here tension is T1, here tension is T2. T1, T2. If all objects are in equilibrium. Do it first. Okay. So let's solve it. So if you draw the free body diagram of 20 kg, 200 Newton will act in downward direction. And here the tension force is T1. If you draw the diagram of 10 kg, T1 will be in this direction and T2 will be in this direction. Is this okay? Good. Now, both are in equilibrium, so T1 will be equal to T2 and this is also in equilibrium, so T1 is equal to 200 Newton. So T1 will be equal to T2 and will be equal to 200 Newton. Is this okay? Good. Now, these are the system and that are also in equilibrium. So what is mass, what is T1, what is T2? So let's draw the free body diagram of 10 kg, 100 Newton in downward direction. Here the tension is T2. So T2 will be equal to 100 Newton. Now, this is the 20 kg. Here the forces is T2. Here the forces is T1 and mg in downward direction 200 Newton, normal in upward direction, but they are not required. These are not required, but you have to draw if you are drawing the free body diagram. But this is not required since in the question they have not asked to find normal. So T1 will be equal to T2. And since T2 is 100 Newton, so T1 will be also equal to 100 Newton. Now, if you draw the free body diagram of M, you will get mg means 10 m will be acting in downward direction and in upward direction there is a force T1. Is this okay? So T1 has to be equal to 10 m and T1 we have found it that T1 is equal to 100 Newton. So put the value of T1 100 Newton is equal to 10 m, you will get m is equal to 10 kg. Is this okay? So we will practice more questions, more interesting questions on this topic. Is really the equilibrium topic, and after you will study the tension, that become very important. But we will practice this in the next lecture. Okay, I think tomorrow is our next lecture. Okay. Okay, let me see and
Okay, sir.
okay, let me see the schedule and I will post accordingly in the group. Okay, bye. Today class is over.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.